Welcome to Vålandstårnet, guys, and welcome to my vlog. This is your Manung Baru, and enjoy this video, guys. Let's go.
This is cool, guys. This is the highest part of Stavanger, overlooking and that is the highest tower, that side.
This is one of the highest part here in Stavanger, and this is a historical place, and we call it Vålandstårnet.
Tingnan nyo dito, makikita nyo ang hinahanap nyo. Våland. This place is called Vålandstårnet, guys. And welcome.
So we are here today strolling with my super friends here. It's Joyce and DJ Brian here. Look at this beautiful view here. See, with beautiful girls and beautiful people around here. Shout out Norma. So we wish you were here. Tama, di ba? So we are now descending. Aeroplano lang. So,
this is a bit
yeah. We are descending now, guys. This is the perfect place to walk. And you know, guys, life here in Norway is, shall I say, a healthy one. A healthy living here in Norway. And they actually, you know, I don't know what to say. This is what we call adventure trail. Adventure trail here in the middle of the forest. Carry on. Just use the ladders. Congratulations, you have just reached the first pit stop. Guys, appreciate the forest here. It's really virgin. Sana all virgin. I'll show you. So, all I want to say is they have a virgin forest here.
yes, virgin.
Isn't it beautiful and virgin, guys? So, you know, here they really preserve those trees, and you know, it's the way how they take care of their environment. And sana all, di ba? Tingnan mo, wala silang baha, wala silang kung ano. Guys, it's I use the plain elevation. Just walk, don't worry, because you know those leaves keeps you healthy. Di ba guys, ang ganda? So you know, in case, look, if just in case there are trees that fallen, what they do is, you know, they have to shred it, and it turns into an organic soil, and it can be you know, the source of plywood and papers, you know, the source of being resourceful. Ano ba yan? This is the perfect place to jog, especially during summer, and any weather guys can do. Rolling in the deep. We are passing this crossroad here. So we are taking this bridge guys, crossing this expressway here. It's called E39, and look at this bridge. It's well built and nice. Look at this beautiful bridge here, and that's the tunnel that side, and we are here at the middle of the road. What a very nice. Hi! Hello. Hello. So here, ang ganda, di ba? And that is the tunnel, guys. Going to Honbog. It's passing under the sea. Yeah, it's the tunnel. And hello. Diba ang ganda? Hi. There you go. So we are here guys. Enjoy. Di ba ang ganda? Di ba ang ganda ng road nila guys? Ang ganda-ganda. Ang ganda-ganda. Look at this forest, guys. Hello.
Transfer the healthy stuff to your friends.